Cow, cow, ooh. Cow, cow, I wanna double too. Chicken horn, the chicken's a whole hubba. Love ride the trucker like I wanna double. I love the air, wanna double hubba. Laying down on something that a jigger want. Love ride the air, wanna love a hubba. Love the mouth, chicken love a hubba. Bend down, I wanna double, double, double.
Do that again.
Cow, cow, loving in the blubber, blubber. Love ride the hippin' in the hibble, blubber. I love loving in the blubber, blubber. Love ride the ricky, jiggy, hubba, lubber. Love the mouth, chicken love a hubba. Bend down the trucker like I wanna double. I love the zippin' in the hubba, blubber. Love ride the ricky, jiggy, blubber, blubber. I love the woody, woody, packer, packer.
Did you ever hear of a wish sandwich? Well, it's the kind of a sandwich that you're supposed to take 2 pieces of bread and wish you had some meat.
Cow, cow, loving in the blubber, blubber. Love ride the hip and double, zipper, double. Love the male, chicken, love a hubba. He ride the one and double, racker, packer. Love the male, chicken, love a hubba. He ride the woody, woody, slubber, double. Love the male, chicken, love a hubba. He ride the hip and the hubba, double. I love the something that a chicken want.
The other day, I ate a ricochet biscuit. Well, it's the kind of a biscuit that's supposed to bounce off the wall back in your mouth. If it don't bounce back, you go hungry.
Cow, cow, loving in the blubber, blubber. I love the something that I love it.